Today, I'm here to talk about a topic that might seem a little unsettling at first, but don't worry, it's manageable once you know what to do. The subject is, can bedbugs live in your car? And what to do if you think your friend has bedbugs and sat in your car. Let's start by addressing the big question. Can bedbugs even live in your car? The short answer is yes, they absolutely can. Bedbugs are notorious hitchhikers. They don't need much space or ideal conditions to survive, and cars with their numerous cracks and crevices and fabric seats can become temporary hideouts. However, while cars can provide a temporary refuge for these pests, they aren't the ideal long-term habitat due to the extreme temperature fluctuations that occur in vehicles. Before we get into prevention and treatment, it's important to understand a bit about these bugs. They're drawn to the warmth and carbon dioxide we exhale. So if a bedbug finds itself in your car and senses your presence, it will likely make its way toward you for a meal. Did you know that bedbugs are incredibly resilient? They're able to live between 6 and 12 months without a blood meal. This means that even if your car sits unused for a while, any bedbugs hiding in the upholstery or hidden in the cracks could potentially survive if you live in an area with moderate temperature. In a hot car, temperatures might reach above 120 in direct sunlight, which, if maintained for a length of time, this extreme temperature could kill bedbugs. Conversely, in winter, if your car is exposed to below freezing temperatures for days in a row, this might also help kill bedbugs. However, keep in mind that cars may have cool pockets where the temperature might not reach these extremes, and these little pockets of moderate temperature will allow the bedbugs to survive. Now let's consider how bedbugs might end up in your car in the first place. It's not a case of spontaneous infestation. They're usually hitching a ride on someone's personal belongings or someone's clothing. For example, if you have a friend who has a bedbug infestation at home and they sit in your car without taking precautions, they might inadvertently deposit a bedbug or two. Similarly, if you've been in an infested environment and then get into your car, you could be carrying bedbugs along with you. Another reason would be if you park alongside some infested furniture. So many times people will dispose of large furniture items out on the curb. So if you park right next to this and there's loose bedbugs, they could, in turn, crawl into your car. So what can you do? If you suspect that a friend with bedbugs has been in your car, or worse, if you start noticing bedbug signs, there are several proactive steps you can take to prevent a full-blown infestation. First, don't panic. First and foremost, remember that bedbugs at this time are not known to transmit diseases, but they can be psychologically distressing. They aren't a health hazard in the way that other pests might be. If you know someone has bedbugs, consider asking them to take preventative measures before getting into your vehicle. Simple steps like heat treating their clothing, running them through a dryer, or spraying their shoes with things like Sterifab or 90% alcohol can reduce the risk of transferring bedbugs to your car. If you suspect your car has been exposed, the next step is thorough cleaning. Remove all belongings. Start by taking everything out of your car. Wash all removable fabric items and heat treat them in a dryer. Next, vacuum thoroughly. Use a robust shop vacuum to clean every nook and cranny in your car, including under the seats, in between cracks, and in all the hidden spaces. Next, do a steam treatment. A steamer can be invaluable. Direct the steam into the cracks and crevices and seams of your car. This can be a lifesaver. While this is very labor-intensive, it's effective in killing all life stages of bedbugs. And then lastly, you could hire a pest control professional to do some sort of spray in your car. Many times they'll use Crossfire. This could be sprayed in every single crack and crevice to eliminate any bugs that might be hiding. Using monitors and traps are another good idea. Place bedbug lures, sticky traps, or other monitors on the floor, under the seats, in the center console and trunk. This can help you detect if any bedbugs are still present after you do the deep cleaning. And if this infestation seems too overwhelming, do not hesitate to call professionals. A pest control company can treat your car. There are even companies that specialize in fumigating the entire vehicle inside of a tent or a truck. So now we should deal with your friend's infestation. What to do if you know your friend has bed bugs and has been in your car. It's a tricky situation, but your safety and peace of mind come first. Here are a few steps you can take. First, you need to communicate. Talk to your friend about the concerns. Explain that while you understand infestations happen, you need to protect yourself and your vehicle. Set boundaries. Politely ask that they refrain from sitting in your car until they've taken steps to eliminate the bed bugs from their home. Offer solutions. You might suggest they heat treat their clothing or use sprays before joining you in your car. This small compromise can help both of you manage the situation more safely. Here are some additional considerations. You want to keep your eye out for common signs of bed bugs in your car. These can be live bugs, shed skins, or even bedbug fecal matter. Sometimes you might only notice bites on your skin if you're the type of person that reacts to bedbugs. But remember, bites alone are not a definitive sign. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time to call in professionals. And as we mentioned earlier, extreme temperatures in summer and winter can potentially kill bedbugs, but relying solely on these conditions is not advisable. Cars can have temperature variations where bedbugs can find a comfortable spot and survive. Continuous monitoring and prevention are key. Lastly, remember that not all little tiny bugs in your car are bed bugs. Insects such as fungus gnats, book lice, baby roaches, ants, and even carpet beetle larvae can make an appearance in your car. A professional inspection can help you determine what exactly you're dealing with. So let's sum it up. Bedbugs can indeed live in your car, particularly if there's a severe infestation at home or if they hitch a ride on someone who's been exposed. However, with prompt action and a thorough cleaning regimen, you can effectively prevent and control infestations in your car. So the key to being proactive is to inspect regularly, especially if you have suspected exposure. Clean meticulously, using vacuum, steaming, and if necessary, chemical treatments. Communicate with your friends and family who might unknowingly be contributing to the risk. And consider professional help if the problem escalates. So while the idea of bedbugs in your car might sound alarming, it's a manageable problem if you're informed and take the right steps. With a little diligence and the right preventative measures, you can keep your car and your peace of mind bedbug free. So I hope you found these insights helpful. Just remember that even if you do a very deep cleaning, a bedbug can crawl into a place in the car where the temperature is just moderate enough for them to survive. So if you've ever experienced bedbugs in your car, drop us a line in the comments. We'd love to know about it. And if you live in the New York City area, you can always hire us or our dogs to help you sniff a car.